how do you feel like a role model, as a role model?
It's weird because I have myself, like, I look up to a lot of people, but not really main artists, but a lot of people like that do productions for other artists, that I look up to all those guys, because I think it's incredible to see what they do and how they do it, because so it's funny to see like people look up to me, but I still look up to other guys.
Yeah.
So it's a whole chain, you know?
Chain, yeah. Lost frequencies. Which frequencies did you lose? Have you lost? I mean, which frequencies are missing in your music?
I hope I don't miss frequencies in my tracks. It was more like when I started the project, I was making remix of old tracks, and those old tracks would be the lost frequencies, and I take them back and make remixes of them. But now I'm doing original stuff, so it's not really like lost frequencies anymore. But the name still fits. It's my name now, so yeah.
So you won't be changing it.
I'm not gonna change it.
I read somewhere that if you would have superpowers, it would be power to teleport yourself.
Oh yeah, that would be nice.
Which are your favorite places that you will be teleporting yourself?
I think I would teleport myself to like really good surf spots and do some surf, and then teleport me straight from a surfboard to my bed.
to your bed.
To my bed, and it'd be like this.
So you're not staying at home so often, or are you?
I was the last 2 months. I was like 2 days at home, I think.
Really?
Yeah. So my whole luggage is a mess right now.
Huh? Okay. Yeah. So that's your reality right now, or what is your reality? Like your song?
Yeah.
I mean, is it like traveling a lot, or?
It's for the moment, since it's the summer, it's traveling a lot. I go from left to the right. Like tomorrow I go to Romania, then I go to Canada, then I go to Las Vegas, and then I go back to Ibiza, where I just came from. So in the summer I travel a lot, but it's fun because I get to see a lot of people that I don't see during the whole year.
Yeah. But what does Felix do when he's home alone, you know, behind four walls?
He's seeing the friends and chilling.
Chilling?
Yeah, I try.
You described your music as like a mixture of indie rock and dance music, kind of an indie dance.
I like to.
Huh?
I like to say that, yes.
Why?
Because when I say that in my first interviews, because I was listening to indie rock because I was in California. I had a friend, he was listening to indie rock, and he showed me that kind of music. I really liked me, and I really liked it, and he told me, yeah, it's people in their garage making music and releasing it alone. And I was like on my computer alone in my room making music with a lot of guitars, but still alone. And so I like the fact that I call it indie dance, because it's like not a lot of production, but still it's dance music and it has guitars. So I don't know. So I thought it was nice.
So did you listen to a lot of Belgian bands like Das Pop when you were?
Not Das Pop so much.
Huh? No?
No, I listened to a lot of, actually when I was younger I listened to a lot of to the radio, what was on the radio, but also a lot of stuff for my parents, which is like older stuff, but I try to listen to a little bit of everything.
2 years ago? It's over, okay.
You can say one more.
Okay, thank you. You have an album since last year.
Yeah.
What can we, or when can we expect something new from Lost Frequencies?
I just released a new track last week with Netsky, which is a drum and bass artist, so we make a track together.
So you're like living your dream of mixing drum and bass.
No, I was because it was really fun, because I was in the studio with him and I make like more house vibe, he was more drum and bass, and we were really excited to see what the whole mix would be. Yeah. And I think the final result is really fun, and it's called Here With You, and I'm gonna play it tonight actually.
Oh, really?
And I remixed also all the tracks from my album, and that's also gonna be released. So a lot of stuff coming up.
Cool. Thank you for your time.